What's up, gents? I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's shave, gonna go quick shave with the Mühle R89 GRANDE. It's got the big handle, very comfortable, and Baume BE shaving cream. I'll be using a feather blade and the Chubby 1 super brush. Warm the face up, wet those tips, just load the tips on the brush. I'm gonna go right to the face and lather up. Clear the runways. You can see those sideburns. Let's pop in the blade. 3-piece razor. Separate the parts. Just drop in that feather blade right over the pins and the post. Reassemble. There we go. Warm it up under the hot water. And we'll start here on the left side. Perpendicular, tilt slightly upward to find that angle. And work the way down. Really nice and smooth with the feather blade. Takes off my several days worth of beard growth, no problem whatsoever. Okay, right side, cut that sideburn. Excellent, like nothing. Chin area. Now down the neckline. Right side. Now the mustache area. Super smooth, look at that, one pass, really nice and smooth, comfortable shave. Let's rinse off. After the first pass, you could stop if you feel you're close enough, but let's get one more. We'll get super close. Won't have to shave tomorrow. This Baume BE smells really great. It lathers up easily. It's got a nice cushion. It smells kind of tobacco-y. Clear those runways. Okay, now we'll go from the bottom up. Excellent. Across the grain, from the ear to the nose. And backhand. The final rinse off, hot water, then cold water. Check it out, beautiful smooth shave. I had a several day beard growth and it removed it very comfortably, smooth, sharp blade. The Mühle R89 GRANDE comes with a larger handle, very comfortable if you're of larger stature, bigger hands. You'll love this razor. Feels great in the hand and shaves very well. This is an excellent razor if you shave every day. You need to shave every day for work. This will be perfect. It's not too aggressive, it's mild. Say right in the middle. From a scale of 0 being mild to 10 being aggressive. This would be around a 5, 4 to 5. So this will be perfect for you. If you need to shave every day, every other day, excellent. If you need to shave every day and you want to do it just one pass and quickly, go with the Mühle R41. You can check out my other videos on that one. But R89, smooth, very easy, difficult to cut yourself. As you can see, an excellent shave all the way around. I will just pat my face dry. Just slightly damp. Today, since it's a little bit warmer out in the Chicago area, I'm going to go with this Thayers Witch Hazel, the lemon. Just a little bit of that right in the palm, like so. Rub it together. This is an astringent. It has very little sting, but it's a nice fresh lemon scent or fragrance that dries quickly. It's just light, it's nothing heavy. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to pick up any of these items or this razor, visit shavenation.com. The Mühle R89 GRANDE, made in Germany. Thanks for watching. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.